Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen, Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making smothered chicken, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's get to it. So I was in the mood for something comforting and something delicious and warm, and this is what I was inspired to make. This dish was so good. The rice and the gravy, as well as the chicken, came together so well. The chicken was so juicy and tender and so much flavor. You will not be disappointed. You should try this one. And for our ingredient list today, we're going to start with some chopped celery, as well as some butter. We're going to need some all-purpose flour to thicken the gravy. And we're going to need some chopped garlic, of course. We're also going to need a little bit of heavy cream, or half and half, whatever that you have in hand. And some fresh thyme. I'm going to use a good amount of sliced onion, but you can use as much as you want. Also, I have a spice mix here. I have the description in the box. We're going to need as well some chicken broth. And here is my choice of meat for today. I am using some skinless, boneless chicken thigh. You can use the chicken thigh with the bone or chicken breast if you prefer. So here is my meat that I have dried up, and I'm going to add my spices to it. I know it seems like a lot, but it just adds a bunch of flavor to this dish, and not all of them is salty. So I'm going to massage this until every crevice and every part is coated with this seasoning. And then I'm going to set this aside for about 20 minutes. Here I have a pan that I'm going to cover the bottom with some cooking oil. Once my oil is heated, I'm going to add in my chicken. I am only going to cook this chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's just so it can develop color. For if you're using bone-in chicken, that's going to take a lot longer to cook. So just brown this chicken in this oil, and it'll finish cooking in the gravy. Depending on the meat that you're using, it may take longer or shorter time, but once your meat starts to brown, we're going to flip it over and cook it for a bit until the other side is also brown. Once my chicken has been brown on the other side, I am going to remove my meat from the heat. I have removed most of the oil from the pan, but I have left maybe about 1 tablespoon. To that, I'm going to add some butter, and don't throw out the brown parts. To my melted butter, I'm going to add my onion as well as my celery, which I'm going to cook for about 5 minutes when they're both translucent. After about 5 minutes of cooking the celery and the onion, I'm going to add in my garlic. My garlic is going to cook for about 30 seconds. Once my garlic is fragrant, I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour to create some sort of a roux for my gravy. I would say I would cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, just enough. If you need to lower your heat, you can do that. And as always, if you're enjoying my videos, please hit that subscribe button. My flour has been cooking for about 2 minutes now. Now I'm going to add in the chicken broth. I am also going to add in my thyme and give this a good stir. Next, I will add in my heavy cream. Also give this a good mix. Once my gravy starts to boil, I'm going to add the chicken back in there. Once my chicken has been added, I'm going to add on the lid and cook this for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to add more freshly cracked black pepper with some parsley. Also, if you can taste your gravy. If it needs more seasoning, just add some chicken seasoning. And this is it, guys. This was dinner. I could not wait to dig in. This dish was done in so little time, but it packed such a big punch of flavor. I enjoyed this with some rice, and I hope you try this and let me know what you think. And enjoy, guys! Thank you for watching. I hope you give this one a try, and if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe.